This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a Google Docs file into a Word document file. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser opened up now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project here. To convert a Google Docs file into a Word file, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab. Click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Download and place your cursor over Download. Then you'll slide straight off to the right and you can convert your file into any one of these listed here. The very top thing is a Microsoft Word Docs file. I'm going to click on that. A little dialog box will open up asking me where I want to place the file on my device and if I want to rename the file. As you can see, it's being saved as a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to go down, I'm going to click on Save. And now if I open that folder that I placed it in, right here is my Word file. I'm going to double click on it to open it in Word. There is my file in Word. If I go back to my browser, there it is in Google Docs. That is how to convert a Google Docs file into a Word file. Thanks for watching.